Right back, evening time, right back thing. You guys take care, man. Have a good one thing in the mag. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Mod Squad, Honolulu, check in. Aloha. I hear that big on Suburban in there too. Have a good one. That big on Suburban looking good too now. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu. Right back. Aloha. Right back, SwitchBlade. You can work it too, that SwitchBlade. Have a good one, SwitchBlade. I got you in my radio. Mod Squad Honolulu. Right back in the mini grass. SwitchBlade. Aloha. Bye Blade, Mod Squad Honolulu. Mod Squad Honolulu, check with the gang. Mod Squad Honolulu, right back in a minute. Aloha. Bye, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, you doing the same, man. Take your SwitchBlade, you walk in Honolulu. Take your SwitchBlade. I know we ain't got good condition right now, man. I got some Mexicans in there. Mod Squad Honolulu, right back. I'll see you now. Right back, SwitchBlade. Right back with the takeover. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, say you doing it too. Have a good one. Mod Squad, little car gone.
Hey, Mod Squad, tell SwitchBlade all four his tires turning over. Tell SwitchBlade all four his tires turning over. Be careful, don't run over nothing.
You said all four of his tires flipped over? You said SwitchBlade's tires all flipping over? Mod Squad, right back in Honolulu. Hello, Rooster. Hey, Rooster, you on there? Hey, Rooster, you all over here. Mod Squad gone. Bye, trouble. Aloha. Bye, SwitchBlade. Aloha. And y'all take care, because Mod Squad back on the mail in Honolulu now. Bye.